47, and we remain under an ABC-7 first alert. That storm system that we've been talking about for the past several days, well, it's going to arrive this afternoon and bring some big changes. That's why that first alert is in effect. I want to start out with our future track regional view just to show you where that system is. It'll be moving in from the north, the west, and generate very strong wind gusts. So our future track model shows you're heading off to work around 7 o'clock. We're under clear skies. A little breezy around that time, but lunchtime, I really think ahead of this system, we'll start to see the winds pick up. At 4 o'clock, we're partly cloudy. Las Cruces, we're seeing some light showers. A little further north of you guys, I think we could be seeing some moderate rain. By the 7 o'clock hour, not seeing any showers here in El Paso, partly cloudy east, and I do think we could also see some snow showers around the Sacramento Mountains. Now, as we advance into Thursday's forecast, I don't think we'll see any rain, just partly cloudy skies, but we're still going to be dealing with the wind. Thankfully, once Friday rolls around, the system will be out of here. We'll see lots of sunshine, and that will set the stage for a pretty nice looking warm weekend. But we have to get there first. Peak wind gusts, an hourly look does show at 10 o'clock, we're already starting to see gusts in the 30-mile-per-hour range. Around lunchtime, we're in the 40-mile-per-hour range. Keep in mind, the winds will be strongest east and northeast sides of town, and I think we'll start to see some of that dust around lunchtime. I think we'll see our peak wind gusts between 1 and 5 o'clock, strongest along the eastern slopes, with southwest winds sustaining around 25 to 35 miles per hour. Some locations even seeing gusts around 55 miles per hour. So here's our dust tracker. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock hour, morning hours, I'm not tracking any dust. Our latest update, not showing any dust around lunchtime, but I'm stopping the clock at 3 o'clock to show you east, northeast sides of town. Around 3 o'clock, 3:30, you're picking up the kids from school. Far east, Horizon City, Fabens, and even Tornillo, it's going to get a little dusty around that location. Out west, Deming, Lordsburg area, that's also an area of concern where we tend to see a lot of dust kick up once the storm system moves in. 66 is going to be the high today for Fort Bliss, so we're going to be about 10 degrees cooler from yesterday, but still warm this afternoon. 69 Fabens, very spring-like conditions for today. Tonight, I think it's still going to be windy. 37 Anthony, 43 Fort Bliss, and 41 Socorro. As we look ahead to tomorrow, we're going to be about 10 degrees cooler in the mid-50s, still windy. Then we're warming up this weekend.